In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your messages in Messenger. So first thing we need to do is go and load up the Messenger application, click on Menu in the bottom right hand side, and then click on Settings. You can then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Meta Account Center. Now scroll down to Your Information and Permissions, click on Download Your Information, and then select Download or Transfer Information. Now select your Messenger account from the list and click on Next. Click on Specific Types of Information, and then we're just going to select Messages from the list of options, and then you can click on Next at the bottom of this page. Now decide how you want to download these messages. You can either download it to your iPhone, or you can transfer it to another destination. So this could be something like Google Drive or Dropbox. Now I'm just going to press Download to Device. Now click on the date range, and then go and select the specific period that you want to back up. Make sure you've added your email address, and then you can press Create Files. Now you'll need to wait until you receive an email with your downloaded information. Now this can take a couple of hours to a couple of days, and it really depends on the size of the chats that you're trying to back up. So that's how you export messages in Messenger. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.